In this video I'm going to do these body details here, so let's start doing those things. So let's go to the side view and let me go to wireframe mode by hitting the 4 button, and here I need to put some loops which should match with this line. So let's go to insert edge loop and let's add some loops wherever I see a line there. Let's add an edge loop there. So here I'm going to use this one. So I have an already existing edge loop, but that's not on the place. So let's move that to the place and let's continue adding the loop. So let's add an edge loop here, and this is matching, that's good. I'm going to add an edge loop here, and here this is a little bit off, so let's move to match. Okay, now we have some loops matching there. Now this top line is also good, it's matching. So let's go to shaded mode by hitting 5. Okay, now I am going to extrude some faces. So I'm going to extrude all these faces inside all these faces. So let's extrude till this end. Let's select. So I'm holding shift and just double clicking, then hold shift, single click to select this one, then shift double click to select the whole partial loop. So I'm doing that, shift click, then shift double click, shift click, shift double click. So just select all the loop here, and the same time I'm going to do this side. So let's do that. So I'm going to so let's start from this side. If the gun is a like symmetric model or design, you can do one side and you can mirror it, but in this case, because of this detail, it's an asymmetrical design, so I cannot mirror it. So that's why I have to do the both side there. So now once I have selected, now I'm going to extrude all these faces inside. So I'm going to extrude and let's pull them inside there like this, be a little bit something like this. Okay, now I'm going to let's press 3 to check. You can see we have that design. It also look good, but we need to put some supporting loops. So let's put some supporting loops at the end. I believe I need to put some supporting loops. So let's put some supporting loops here, and let's put some supporting at the top part. It looks good, the design looks cool. Okay, so now the top part is kind of like curvy, so we can again put an supporting loop here to keep that square thing. So now you can see it's now squarey, but there is a problem. If you put that line, you can see that line is coming here to this circle, and it can damage the circle here, because you can see this crease line now, and the circle isn't smooth here. So we have to keep that edge somewhere here, and we have to like delete it from here. We cannot keep or bring that edge here. So in order to do that, let's do something. Maybe let's weld that edge loop to here. Let's see, this edge is coming and merging with here, and now I can delete this edge loop which is going inside. Let's delete it, and also the same thing here. So I need to weld it. So let's target weld somewhere here, and let's delete it. I cannot keep that here. And now let's check. Now you can see I have the hard edge, and here it's smooth. you can see a little bit of no angle or crease lines here, and we can correct that by just adding an edge loop here somewhere. So again, because of that triangle, I cannot add an edge loop here. If I try to add it, you can see this is the problem. So instead of like merging here, I could have merged. Instead of merging here, I'm taking this to here temporarily, and so that I can just add an edge loop here. So let's add an edge loop like this. Now you can see I can easily just merge it, and I can merge it somewhere here. I don't have to keep this. So now you can see it's better. Now it's totally smooth here, and you can do the same thing with this side, but it looks good. Okay, so I'm stopping this video here. I'll do all this little correction in between lessons. So I'll see you in the next video where we are going to do this detail. You can see there is a small details here. We are going to do that in the next video.